Okay, right now in California, blizzard, hundreds are stranded in a blizzard snowstorm, stranded on a donor pass. Do not go there. Do not, it doesn't look good. It's not looking good anyway. There's a lot of truck drivers that are stuck there, experience the chores in this short documentary showing firsthand the impacts as a blizzard blankets Northern California, leaving hundreds stranded. So I don't want to be in that stranded place. 100 miles per hour blizzard wind going any direction. Just don't go there. So it's by Petramala. He's the one who's doing the video, so I'll put his tag channel and go to check it out.